Hello everyone, welcome back with another very useful and informative video. In this video, I'll show you if you're trying to enter payment method on your iPhone device and here you are facing this type of problem, your payment method was declined, please select a different payment method and try again later. So if you're trying to enter the payment method on your iPhone device and you are having this issue on your iPhone device, then here in this video I'll show you how you can easily fix this problem if you're having this type of problem on your iPhone or iPad device. So first of all, here we have open setting, then here tap on your Apple ID profile, then after that here you will have tap on payment and shipping here, then from here you will have to wait a while, it's processing. So after that here you will need to enter your password of your Apple ID. So here you will have to make sure that you are entering the correct debit or credit card numbers. Make sure that you have entered the correct numbers of your debit or credit card. So here you will have to make sure that you are entering the correct expiry date. Make sure that expiry month should be of 2 digits and expiry year should be of 4 digits. And here make sure that you are entering the correct security code that will be the mention on the back side of your card, which will be of 3 digits. And here make sure that you have entered the correct billing address, and here make sure that the zip code of your city is correct and the country and the region should be according to your debit or credit card banks and should be according to your payment methods bank. So after that, check that the problem fixed or not. So if you're having still this problem, then here move to the next solution. Again, open setting, then scroll down and here tap on screen time, then here scroll down and tap on content and privacy restriction, then here turn this toggle on, and from here you'll have to make sure that all these toggles should be allowed from here. Then again disable this from here. Then here you'll have to again make sure that your iPhone device is not connected with any VPN. If you are connected with VPN, then here you'll have to disconnect with VPN, then try again later. Then after that, here make sure that your iPhone device is up to date and it's using an updated version of iOS. If any update is available, then you will have to update your iPhone device to the latest version. Then after that, here you'll have to close this tab. Then here you will have to force restart your iPhone device by tapping on the volume up button, then volume down, then press the power button until Apple logo appears. So after that, hopefully your problem will be fixed and you will be able to enter payment method on your iPhone or iPad device. So that's it from this video. Hopefully you like this video. If you like this video, then please subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon so that you can get my all upcoming videos. Thanks for watching this video.